Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Visual Studio installation error on your Windows. So if you encounter this kind of issue or problem on your Windows, then let's go quick into the process. So this is just a very simple tutorial, so you just have to simply click on the Start button, go to Settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Windows Update and click this button right here. So we need to make sure that the operating system or the Windows that we are using is updated or is up to date. And once you're updated, close out of here and try to install the Visual Studio again, because once we are updated, we rarely face an issue with our Windows. So try updating your Windows first and then try to install or continue installing the Visual Studio again. For the next method is if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares like any of the Avast, McAfee, or Malwarebytes, if you have installed that into your Windows, then we can temporarily disable that because that might block the application from being installed or that can interrupt the process. So what we can do is that we need to temporarily disable that. And how we can do that, you just have to simply click on the show hidden icons in the taskbar. And here, if you are using any of the third-party antivirus softwares, then that will appear from here. So what you can do, you just need to simply make a right click and then select the quit option. And after you have quit or temporarily disabled the antivirus, then we can try to install the Visual Studio again. And for the next method is we can also run the system file checker scan. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type CMD. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Now here in this block window with administrative rights, we need to simply type this command SFC /scan now. It's SFC /scan now, hit enter. So this is the system file checker scan. This will scan for and repair, fix any system corrupted files, which is a very helpful fix. So while the process is going on, you should not close the window. You can just simply minimize it by using this minimize button. But once the process is going on, you should not close it. And once this is 100% completed, close out of here. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. After you have restarted your Windows, then you just have to install the Visual Studio again. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.